Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we got a 2018 Elantra with a 2-liter engine, and I'm going to show you how you can change your oil on this vehicle. 2018 Hyundai Elantra. First thing you want to do is pop your hood. If you look on the driver's side here, you'll see the hood release right here. Go ahead and pull that towards you. Once you have your hood opened, you'll see your engine here. And on top of the oil cap, you will notice the grade of oil that you will need. For this particular vehicle, it's 5W20 synthetic. You will need 4.2 quarts or 4 liters. So once you've raised and supported your vehicle, you will see underneath the vehicle a engine splash guard, but you don't have to worry, you don't need to remove this guard at all. The filter is located right here, and the oil drain plugs is located right here. That's a 17mm socket. So again, you do not have to remove the lower engine splash guard. Thank you, Hyundai. So once you opened your drain bolt, the 17mm, just make sure you have a pan underneath it and just let that drain out completely. As you can see, we do not need to remove the undercar shield. And the next thing you'll be doing is removing the oil filter. So once you have your oil filter and drain plug in place, you want to go ahead and refill your engine. Again, it's 4 liters or 4.2 quarts of 5W20 synthetic oil. After you've added your oil, you can go ahead and pull the dipstick, and you will notice on the dipstick that it is slightly above the fill mark. No need to worry, because at this moment your oil filter is still empty. As soon as you start your vehicle, the oil filter will fill up, and that the oil level will drop slightly, and you will be at the correct mark. You can go ahead and put your dipstick back into place. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if it was, please like, share, and subscribe, and your comments are always welcome. Thank you and have a great day.